All right, today we're going to bring an amazing little light. Now this one has two different LED lights. Very simple to assemble. All you got to do is twist all the joints together and put in the actual base, which it acts as the weight too. Now these are two plastic with built-in LED lights. You actually have to insert the LED lights. You got to twist the actual balls in there and completely lock in the sequence. Once you set this up, pretty much it fits in every corner. Let's go ahead and measure it. All right, from ground to top, it's about 62 inches, 5.2, all right, 5 feet and 2 inches. All right, that's pretty much how tall this is. So this is going to fit in any atmosphere. Now, there's only one button, and that sits in the ground. All right, to turn it on, you just step on it, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. All right, so we're gonna turn off the entire lights in this room. So to see how dark it is. This is not a very bright light, but it's a soft light. That's pretty much it. This is a perfect for reading a book, sitting right by your sofa or your bed. So let's go ahead and turn it off. And it's entirely dark in here. But if you turn on just by pushing the button, which is good, you don't have to switch anything off. You just hit the button and it turns on completely. You don't have to worry about fumbling yourself in the darkness. All you got to do is find where you plug in the actual lamp and follow the string, which is simple to use, a big round button, and that's it.